Hi guys, Victor here. Hope everybody's doing well. I'll got another gusher, another 2011 with the 4.2 Cdra, and still the same scenario as the last two. Comes with a bad thermostat. You do the thermostat, and then the coolant start gushing out of the engine. So I'm just gonna put pressure on it. I put some distilled water in there as a test. And with the pan off, it's coming out right there. It always comes out the same spot. So that's the rear plastic coolant crossover pipe, which on these here they replaced for 2011 model year, and they went from a aluminum one to a plastic pipe because they had another active thermostat on that side, an accelerated warming up thermostat. So it makes the engine warm up way quicker, so they had to redesign that part, and they made it in plastic. So so that's coming up as a video. Also have the carbon clean I've done on the other one, another same year model, and it's still editing it, so it's coming up. So yeah, quite a few little D4 videos coming in. So thanks for watching.